Kia ora guys, welcome to another Flip video session. Today we are learning to activate our prior knowledge. Alright, let's jump into it. So, what does it mean to activate your prior knowledge? Activating prior knowledge is when you think about all the things you already know about a topic. This can include what you have experienced personally and what you have read about or seen on TV or in a movie, etc. Thinking about what you already know is useful because it gives you a base to build new knowledge on and helps you to make connections with what it is you're reading. Our experiences shape who we are and what we know. It's important to bring that information along with us while we're reading. It gives our minds a starting point to comprehend what it is we're reading. Engaging our prior knowledge helps us develop a greater understanding of the text and what is happening and what might happen next. Next time you pick up a book, have a flick through or scan and ask yourself, what do I already know about this topic? All right, let's check out an example of an activity you might do if this is your WALT. So it's called a KWL worksheet. And it's important that you do this before you read the book. So, step 1, pick up the book or journal, flick through, look at the pictures, skim and scan it, don't read in detail. Okay, then you fill this column out after having a quick peruse of it, what we think we know. So you write down everything you think you know about the topic. Let's say the topic could be about trapping possums or the invention of a new possum trap. All right. You'd write down everything you already know about that. So we know possums are a pest to native birds and to native fauna in New Zealand, so native trees and stuff. So you'd write that down. We know that they're prevalent throughout all of New Zealand. We know there's probably over 1 million of them. There's heaps and heaps and heaps. Their population is very large, and we know that they're a pest. So you write down everything you know. Okay, then before you read, you also fill in the middle column, what we want to find out. So what you hope to learn from reading this text, or some information that you wouldn't mind reading up on. So you put that in that box there. And in the last box, this one here, that's what you complete once you're finished. So in there, you write down everything you've learned from reading that text. Again, the first box, what we think we already know. Second box, what you want to find out. Last box, what we've learned. So the first 2 boxes are completed before reading and the last one after reading. All right, cheers guys. Remember, always activate your prior knowledge while reading. Cheers. See ya.